available head-up display shows important information on the windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Your head-up display projects information from a small lens in the dashboard onto the windshield. You can tell your vehicle is equipped with a head-up display if you can see HUD controls to the left or right of the steering wheel. In equipped vehicles, the head-up display can show speed, key warnings, performance information, navigation, and connected phone information. You can choose the display mode by pressing the info switch and cycling through to one of the following. Speed View displays your current speed, the speed limit, and if your vehicle has it, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and vehicle ahead indicator. If your vehicle is equipped with Phone View, you'll see the same information as Speed View, plus radio station, media, and calls. Navigation View, if equipped, displays all the Speed View information, plus turn-by-turn navigation or a compass heading when navigation isn't active. Where available, Performance View displays your speed, RPM, transmission position, and gear shift indicator. To adjust the height of the head-up display, use the up-down arrows or use the height arrows. Make sure your seat height is properly adjusted first. To adjust the brightness, use the dim brightness switch. Keep the head-up display lens on the top of the dashboard clean and clear of obstructions. Gently clean the lens using a soft cloth. Set the head-up display height as low as possible to keep your view of the road clear. The brightness will adjust automatically, but you can also manually set the brightness to the lowest comfortable brightness to maximize visibility. Keep your eyes on the road without missing any important information thanks to head-up display.